Hey guys, myself Sahil Javed and you are watching my channel Javed Fitness. So, are you looking to boost your athletic performance and take your workouts to the next level? Well, you are in luck. Today we are diving deep into the world of creatine monohydrate, a popular supplement that has been widely used by athletics and fitness enthusiasts for decades. To the beginners, what is creatine monohydrate? You may ask. Simply put, it's a natural compound found in our bodies that plays a key role in energy production. It's synthesized from amino acids and stored in our muscles as phosphocreatine, ready to be used as a rapid source of energy during high intensity activities. When you take creatine monohydrate as a supplement, you are essentially increasing the storage of phosphocreatine in your muscles, increasing you to perform better during short, intense bursts of exercise. One of the primary benefits of creatine monohydrate is its ability to enhance strength and power. Studies have shown that supplementing with creatine can lead to significant increase in muscle strength, making it to a go-to choice for athletics involved in explosive sports like weightlifting, sprinting, and football. But it does not stop there. Creatine monohydrate has also been found to promote muscle growth and improve exercise performance in various other ways. According to most of the nutritionists, creatine can be helped to increase the water content within muscle cells, leading to an increase in muscle volume, also known as muscle pump. This not only gives you a more impressive appearance but also contributes to improved muscular endurance. Interestingly, creatine monohydrate is not just for those people for seeking explosive power. It has also shown potential benefits for endurance of athletes. By increasing the availability of energy-rich phosphocreatine, creatine supplementation may delay fatigue and improve overall endurance and performance. Now we will see, is creatine monohydrate is safe or not? Let's address the safety concern often associated with creatine monohydrate. Numerous studies have demonstrated its safety and efficiency even in long-term use. It's important to note that creatine monohydrate is considered one of the most well-researched and scientifically supported supplements available. When it comes to the doses, a common practice is to follow a loading phase where you consume a higher amount of creatine for the first few days, followed by a maintenance phase with lower daily doses. So, whether you are an athlete looking to gain strength and power, an endurance enthusiast aiming to improve performance, or simply someone looking to maximize the benefits of your workouts, creatine monohydrate could be valuable addition to your regimen. Remember, as with any supplement, it's essential to prioritize a well-balanced diet, consistent training, and good overall health practices. But with its proven benefit and extensive scientific support, creatine monohydrate might just be the missing piece of your fitness puzzle. It's my first full video in this channel. Do subscribe for more upcoming fitness related content and also comment the next topic I should cover in the next upcoming video. You can also check out the product link given below.